Welcome back to my channel. This is a wave diagram. So in this video, I want to show you how you can label each part in this diagram. If you are a physics student and you study the topic wave before, I know you have come across this diagram. The reason why I'm making this video is because during jamb and WAEC, this question usually come out. They might label this place A, here B, and you might be asked to give the correct names given to these marked areas. Are you getting it? So in this video, let's learn how to label this diagram. So this diagram is what a wave. This is a wave motion. In the study of wave, there is something we call crest. We have wavelength, we have amplitude, and the rest. So let's start with the label. So this highest part is called the crest. So when looking at this diagram, you can define crest as the highest maximum displacement or the highest maximum height. Are you getting it? Because this is the highest height, this one, and this one. We have three crests here, right? We have one, two, and three, meaning the highest height is called the crest, okay? So the second one here is called the trough. So when looking at this diagram, you can define trough as the maximum downward displacement. Are you getting it? So meaning we have three troughs here. We have number one, number two, and number three. Meaning the downside are called the troughs. Are you getting it? So you can define trough as the maximum downward displacement. While the maximum highest displacement is called the crest. So meaning that trough and crest are opposite. Are you getting it? So the next one is the wavelength. Wavelength. So when looking at this label, you can define wavelength as the distance between two crests, because here is crest, here is crest, here is crest, right? So the distance between two crests is called the wavelength. Are you getting me? So in this diagram, we have two wavelengths. We have from here to here is one wavelength, and from here to here is another wavelength. Are you getting it? So the distance between two crests is called wavelength. Let's come to this one. Here is called the amplitude. So the definition of amplitude is the maximum displacement of a particle from its rest position, meaning this is the starting point of the wave, right? So amplitude is the starting point. Amplitude is the maximum displacement of a particle from its rest position. So this is the starting point of the wave motion. So this place is labeled as amplitude. So make sure you understand everything on this diagram, okay? Because you might either see it in wire connect equation or in your jamb. Because in your jamb, they might either give option A amplitude, B crest, C wavelength, and D trough. And they might mark this place as letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, and they might ask you to give or to choose the right option, okay? So this first one is called the amplitude crest, while the distance between two crests is called the wavelength, and the downside is called the trough, okay? So please make sure you share this video, like this video, comment on this video, okay? And follow this page if you have not followed this page. If you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe for more videos. Bye.